Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make portrait content using TrouDigital's Online Design Studio. To make portrait content, head over to the Creatives tab and then click Create from Template. In the Compose from Template screen, you'll notice on the top right hand side of the screen there's a 16:9 aspect ratio drop down. Currently you can see it set to 16:9 and all the templates shown are in 16:9, or in other words landscape. If you click the drop down and then select widescreen 9:16, so flipping it, you'll gain access to the portrait templates. It'll also change the start fresh with blank page, so when you click it, it will load our design studio up with a portrait canvas. From here, you just create your content like normal, create a playlist and apply it to your portrait screens. However, there's one more way that I want to show you. If I back out here and head back into the Creatives tab, if I then click Create from Template again, leave it as 16:9 and start fresh with a blank page as I normally would for landscape content, you can see the studio currently loads up in a 16:9 aspect ratio, or again in other words, landscape content. If I wanted to change this, I simply head over to the Creators Properties tab. So to get to this, you just click on this grey space here just outside the design canvas, head to the Creative Settings options, where it says aspect ratio, click it and change it from 16:9 and flip it to 9:16. When you press OK, you can see that our design canvas has now changed to a portrait version, ready for me to create portrait content for my portrait screens. And again, just to reiterate, any content that I create here is exactly the same as creating landscape content. The only thing that you need to be wary of is that the screens that you're sending them to are in portrait. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about creating portrait content or need a hand, please email our team at support@TrouDigital.com. Thank you.